In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ranking questions in Google Forms. To start, open your browser and go to Google Forms. You can either create a brand new form or open an existing one where you want to add a ranking-style question. If you're starting fresh, give your form a clear title and description so people know what the form is about before they see the questions. Next, add a new question by clicking the plus icon on the right-hand side of the screen. This will insert a blank question into your form. By default, Google Forms usually sets the question type to multiple choice. But we're going to change that so it works as a ranking question. Click on the drop-down menu in the top right corner of the question field. From the list of question types, choose multiple choice grid or checkbox grid. Depending on how you want people to respond, multiple choice grid is usually best for ranking because it lets the respondent pick only one option per column. In the rows section, type in the items you want people to rank. For example, if you're ranking features, each feature would go on its own row. Then, in the columns section, type in the ranking positions, such as 1, 2, and so on, or labels like most important down to least important. Once your rows and columns are set, click the three dots in the bottom right corner of the question and look for options like require a response in each row. Turning this on ensures that respondents give a complete ranking instead of skipping items. This helps you get cleaner, more consistent data. It's a good idea to add a short description or help text under the question, explaining exactly how to rank. For example, you can tell people that each column can only be selected once, and that they should choose one ranking for every item listed. Before sharing your form, click the preview icon at the top to see how the ranking question looks from the respondent's perspective. Try answering it yourself to make sure everything works as expected and that the instructions are clear. When you're happy with the setup, close the preview and use the send button to share your form by link or email. Your ranking question is now ready, and responses will appear in the Responses tab, neatly organized so you can quickly see how people ranked each item.